In this session, we'll look at Lansweeper's app for Jira Service Management, an application we refer to affectionately as our enrichment application. Now, this application can be found in the Atlassian Marketplace. It's a great application that can serve any Atlassian Jira Service Management customer. It doesn't require Atlassian assets, so you can link Lansweeper discovered assets directly to your JSM issue, whether it's an incident, problem, or a change. This allows you to take all that great discovery data you got within Lansweeper and attach that directly to a Jira Service Management issue. Let's take a look and see how this operates. Now here within a JSM incident, I can see some key details. I can see my summary, my description. So I see the urgency and impact and some linked issues. But what I want to show you here is the application field we've put on the details panel. So when the application's installed, your JSM licensed users are going to be able to view associated assets and even link associated assets to any issue in JSM. So here by selecting this, I can see that this has already been selected. Notice how we filter by all and search for AP01 to find that particular asset and attach it to this particular issue in JSM. Now, our searching can look at IP address, MAC address, asset name, username, manufacturer, and type to allow us to find what we're looking for and attach it to the record in JSM. So all is a great search, but if you need to narrow that down, you've got these other items here. Now, once I've linked that, I'm going to be able to take advantage of some of the integration features to Lansweeper. So within Jira Service Management, in context, I'll be able to see all installed applications by selecting this icon here. So this gives me that view on the fly of what applications are installed on this device. What's great is Lansweeper has already normalized this data, so it's actually readable and I understand what it is, and it even rolls up like subversions into a main version. So it really makes it easy to understand what applications are installed. Next also is the vulnerabilities. So this device has been scanned and Lansweeper has determined it's found 45 vulnerabilities. As an JSM agent, if I want to remediate these, I can hit the Go link, get more details about this particular vulnerability and remediate based on the guide I find in the link itself. So again, some great features we've added to assist with troubleshooting on the JSM licensed user side. Now, of course, sometimes I might need a complete picture of the asset to better troubleshoot or to expedite troubleshooting of the device. So here I'm allowed to click and drill deeper into the asset and look at it within Lansweeper. So changing context and going right to Lansweeper to see all those asset details. I can get the OS, I can get the motherboard, I can get pretty much anything about this device right here on the screen. So I have no question about how this device is configured, what it has installed. It's all at my fingertips right here. I can scroll down a bit here and see if there's been any other information added, like purchasing information or any custom fields. I'm going to be able to see those as well. So this is really going to help your JSM licensed users or your agents be able to go in there and get all the information they need to troubleshoot this particular device. Now, I want to show you another use case that's really helpful when it comes to this application, and it's about auto matching. So here I'm going to log as a help seeker in the help center an issue I'm having connecting to a remote device via remote desktop. So here I've put in my summary, I've got my description, and I'm going to show you the feature we have for auto matching. So when I hit send, we're going to send this over to the service desk for resolution. I can see my ticket number LEAD-11, so we'll click on this and deep link into it. So here is an agent. When I receive this, I can actually go over to the Lansweeper view associated assets, and what I should see is that auto match. So auto matching works for a few different fields in our application. We can auto match and put in things based off the IP address, the MAC address, or the reporting user or that reporter, if we can match that as well. So what this does is it takes away the requirement for somebody to search and find the asset. It'll just auto match it, so the details are already there. So at a high level, this is our JSM enrichment application available free of charge for all Lansweeper customers.